Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a hyperlink in PowerPoint presentation. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to make a hyperlink in PowerPoint presentation. First, just open the PowerPoint. After that, you can type something here. For example, click here and then highlight the text. After that, click insert and then click insert link, and here you see the address. Now just type the address that you want to add the link. Okay, for example, here just copy the URL and then paste it here. After that, click OK. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to make a hyperlink in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.